YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy CEO Kana. Today I'm going to be going over a quick video. Pretty much going to be breaking down how I'm going to grow this channel right here that you're looking at. I'm going to grow to 1,000 subscribers. And what is it? It's the September 20th. So by next month on the 20th, I will grow this channel to 1,000 subscribers and I will monetize this channel with you guys. Okay, I'm going to show you right now that this channel is not monetized. This is the channel that you guys are currently watching, so you guys can go check my stats. If I go to the dashboard, I have 255 subscribers right here. As you can see, this is my content here. Boom, 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 boom. This is me, right? But this channel I have pretty much put on the back burner because I have been successful with other channels. I am coming on here to let you guys know, and this is a channel that I have started before a couple of my other channels that I really have passion about because I really have a lot of things that I want to teach you guys, and I have a lot of things to give out, a lot of gems, whether it's YouTube, Turo, crypto, finance, whatever the case is, social media in general, car rentals, Airbnb space, whatever the case is, I have a lot of knowledge and I'm here to give it to you. But this video is going to pretty much show you guys, or pretty much let you guys know, I plan on monetizing this within 1 month. Okay, so right here, this is just 28 days, the last 28 days, right? Let me go to the lifetime. So this is the lifetime. As you can see the dates here, all the way back until July 10th, 2023. Right around this time is when I started this channel, right? As you can see, we had a little bit of momentum here. A little bit of momentum. We're talking about 80 views, 50 views a day, really nothing, probably not posting. You know, this is, look, you can see the content down here. Like some of my first videos down here. Boom. How to start a Turo business. Millionaire gives daily routine. How to make money on prize picks. Repo Man. Truth about Airbnb business. How to get monetized on YouTube. How to buy multiple cars for Turo. This is all in August, like way back then last year or so. Pretty much like a year ago. So as you can see, only 12,000 views accumulated on this channel, which is, I'm gonna be honest, man, that's terrible. Let me move the screen over for you guys. So we have 255 subscribers currently, and like I said, I plan on growing 1,000 subscribers and getting this channel monetized. Right, in the past 48 hours, we've only done 1,500 views. That's terrible, if I'm honest with you guys. The screen's blown up, so you can't even see that. But I'm just trying to show you guys that this is my page. You can see here, audience, inspiration, you know, whatever the case is. And if I go to earn, it will tell you here, start your earning journey. You're gonna need to get 500 subscribers. This is for, like, really, this is like little money. You want the ad money, and then you want to generate a business. That's a whole different topic. But look, I'm just trying to show you guys that I'm not monetized on this channel, right? So realistically, this is what I'm looking for right here: the public watch hours or the subscribers. I'm not worried about the short views. I have a shorts channel already, probably generating 1 million views every 2 days, maybe a little bit more than that. But I'm not too big on shorts, and I'm gonna explain in a different video why. But my main goal for this channel is 1,000 subscribers, and I need the watch hours, 3,000 watch hours. So I'm gonna bring you guys along, show you how I'm gonna do this, and just, you know, if you guys are interested, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And if you guys want to follow the journey, you know, 100%. I just dropped a video before this, pretty much showing you a different channel, which I took and I monetized within 14, 15 days. And I feel very confident that I could do the same with this. This is a completely different niche. This is going to be finance, how to make money online, side hustles, Turo, crypto, YouTube, social media in general. So yeah, just bear with me. And if you guys want to follow along, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, man. And I'm going to make this one nice, short, and quick. I just want to bring you guys along the journey with me, and would love to help you guys as well. So if you guys are motivated, let's go on a 30-day challenge. Let's make sure we're getting a video up every day or every other day, at least once a week. You got to be consistent on YouTube. You got to really grind for it, and you really got to just knock it out, man. You can't take this shit as half-assed. Like, you really gotta go for it, bro. And it's don't follow people, man. Do what you want to do. Do whatever you want to be creative in. There are ways to use content, recreate content, and stuff like that. but I will show you guys that in a different video. This video is just pretty much introducing this channel and letting you guys know my goals for this channel. So I appreciate you guys, man. Welcome to the channel. It's your boy CEO Kana. I'll be back with another video. Until then, I'm out.